Are you worried about a wound, a hurt that won't heal? Dr. Thomas Mandat is here to help us with wounds that you're having trouble with. Dr. Mandat's with Lutheran Hospital's Wound Healing Center. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So why is it that a wound sometimes does not heal?
A lot of patients have multiple problems. They might have vascular problems, bad veins, they might be diabetics, they might have bad circulation in the legs, and we deal with all the various type of wounds. A lot of these are people that have chronic problems that have been to other doctors and just haven't had results. You know, we cure wounds sometimes that are several years old.
You know, I've seen situations dealing with older people, you know, bed sores that won't heal. You know, it could be a cut. Maybe somebody was having their toenails clipped, something as simple as that, and then they have diabetes or some other problem and they just won't heal. It really can become a major problem if it's not treated correctly.
No, you're right, and that's the kind of people we deal with.
So someone comes to with a wound that's not healing. What do you do for them?
Basically, first thing we do is a complete evaluation. We get a history and physical. We'll do diagnostic tests that may not have been done in the past to check the circulation, check their control of their diabetes. Then we come up with a treatment plan. A treatment plan is going to be customized to the problem the patient has. We do specialized dressings, specialized medicines, and we also have a hyperbaric oxygen chamber for treatment of chronic wounds.
Okay, now medications and dressings, those things I understand, but hyperbolic, whatever, tell us about that.
Hyperbaric oxygen.
Hyperbaric oxygen, okay.
It's a specialized chamber that has 100% oxygen at increased atmospheric pressure. I think we have one on the screen. And these are, the patient is placed in them, they're transparent. They can listen to music or television while they're in the chamber. Usually they're in the chamber for an hour or two, and what we do with those is we kind of increase the patient's circulation and increase the oxygen at the level of the wound. It increases the healing time, and we're able to cure wounds that have been present for a very long period of time.
So a person who may have had a wound that hasn't healed for weeks could go into this. It fills with oxygen, and the oxygen is what helps fix the wound and heal it?
Exactly. It does two different things. One is it increases the oxygen, so it helps circulation, you get better blood flow, better healing, but it also can kill bacteria. And so if there's an infection in there, we can clear an infection faster. The
treatment itself, being in this, tell me what it's called again,
hyperbaric oxygen chamber.
Okay, so you're in this chamber. Is there any discomfort or pain involved with the treatment itself?
There's no treatment or discomfort, and you know, sometimes people don't like tight chambers. The advantage we have is this is totally a transparent chamber, so they can see outside the room, they can watch television, they can listen to music while they're in there, and the patients are very comfortable, and it involves no pain.
And this can actually help somebody who's had an open sore and they've had it treated in other ways, and this can actually come along and help.
Yes, it is. We deal with a lot of patients that have had problems for many years. They might have gone through many other physicians, including having various surgeries. And a lot of our referrals are even from other physicians that basically want help getting these wounds healed.
Well, this is fascinating because I had not heard that this was available. I think a lot of people haven't heard it's available. It's great to know. Thank you very much, Doctor, for coming on.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
A wound that won't heal can wind up hurting your well-being. Lutheran Hospital's Wound Healing Center is a cut above the rest. To find out more, use the information that's coming up next.
To learn more, visit Lutheran Hospital's website at www.lutheranhospital.org. Next, a life-saving prescription for Medicare.